Today we're doing a quick review of these plastic round ornaments. When the ornaments come to you, they'll be packaged together like this. And so you need to take two out, and they do have different ends where they connect, so you have to go in order. Like if you're the first two together, go together. So you just push them, match up where the little tab is, and you just click it. And now they're together. They don't have the metal ornament stopper that you might see on some more classic bulbs, but they do have this little circle with a tab with a circle cut in it to put your hanger on. What I'm doing is I'm making crocheted covers, and it worked out pretty good. This is the first one I've made. I'm doing them for gifts this year, and it's the standard size. The little tab, the string fits through it really nicely, and I'm really happy with these. I think they're going to be a good form for my gifts, and if you're in the market for this type of ornament ball, then I highly suggest that you get these. They're big, they're round, and I think they're pretty good quality. Recommend.